In today's video, which is the start of the command prompt or CMD tutorial for beginners, subscribe to that channel to follow along. The command prompt can be accessed by pressing Windows key and type CMD and hit enter. Usually, you use your mouse to navigate through your file explorer, press on folders, delete folders, create new ones, press on apps and launch them, rename them and delete them also. You are using what's called the GUI or Graphical User Interface. So you are basically interacting with your machine graphically and viewing information in a graphical way. The command prompt has the same purpose, but the only difference is that it doesn't show you information graphically, but using something called commands, which are texts or special texts that the command prompt or CMD will act upon it and perform the task you told it to do. By all means, the command prompt is a text-based user interface. So when you are on the File Explorer, you press on Desktop, and now you can see all the available components in the desktop. Now we can do the same thing in CMD. What you see in front of you right now is called a path. It is basically where you are located right now. I am now in my C drive that has the users directory, which means folder, and inside of it I have the user directory. So I want to change right now my location and go to the desktop. What I'll say is I'll say cd desktop, which means change directory to desktop. So if I press enter, as you can see, I am right now in my desktop. So again, cd means change directory, and then you mention the directory's name or folder's name. So in my case, it is desktop. What if I right now decide to go back to user directory? How will I do it? It is actually very easy. All I need to do is write cd, which means change directory, and double points. That will take me back one directory. So if I press enter, I am back to my user directory. Now usually we go to multiple folders when we are using the GUI method. So from desktop to folder 1, then folder 2. Let's do the same thing in CMD. I will write cd desktop and then I'll press enter. Now I'll say cd folder 1 and press enter, cd folder 2 and press enter. As you can see, I am now in folder 2, but that is not a good way to do it, because each time I'm writing cd desktop cd folder 1 to arrive to cd folder 2. I could do this in one line, and I'll show it to you. But right now I want to go back to my user directory. How will I do it? Well, we said that cd double point will get us back one directory. So I'll say cd double point, press enter, cd double point, press enter, and cd double point, press enter. Also, this is not a good way to do it. We could actually do it with only one line, and I'll show it to you. So first, I want to say cd desktop, then backslash mention folder 1, backslash folder 2. And now I'll hit enter. As you can see, it took me only one line to go from user to folder 2. Now if I want to get back to user directory with only one line, I'll say cd double point, and this will get me back only one directory. If I want to go back to directory, I'll say front slash double point, and now I'll go back to directory. If I want to go back 3 directory, I'll say front slash double points, and I'll hit enter, and as you can see, I'm in my user directory and I've gone back 3 directories. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think I could say cd desktop backslash folder 2? Do you think this will work? Let's try. The system cannot find the path specified. Why? Because I want to go to desktop, then go to folder 2. What we'll do is it will go to desktop first, then it will read the other part of my command, which is folder 2. Then it will search desktop and see if folder 2 actually exists. In my case, it doesn't exist because folder 2 is actually inside folder 1, which is inside desktop. That is why we got this error. But if I say cd desktop backslash folder 1, that will work because folder 1 is actually in desktop. And if I say right now cd folder 2, of course I could access it because it is inside folder 1. And now I am in folder 2. Now let's say I want to go back to desktop. That means I want to go back 2 directories because I have folder 2, then folder 1. How to do it? Well, I'll say cd double points, front slash double points, and now I am back on my desktop. Now if I want to go back to folder 2, I need to first pass from folder 1 / folder 2. So currently I am in my folder 2, that is in folder 1, located in the desktop, that is inside the user directory, inside the users directory on my C drive. Now I want to teach you a cool trick. If I say cd and tap on the tab button, look what command prompt will do. It will give me all the directories that are inside the user directory. So let's say I want to search for desktop. I will keep on tapping on tab. As you can see, I found desktop and I could press enter, and now I am in my desktop. But I could do another method. I could say cd, type d, and then hit the tab button, which command prompt will start searching for each folder that has the letter D on it. So I'll tap on tab. As you can see, I found desktop. I'll hit enter, and now I am on my desktop. Alright, that is it on how to use command prompt. If you subscribe to that channel, which I highly recommend you do it, you will see that in the next video, we will talk about accessing files and directories in CMD. So, see you there.